In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from the new to the old Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether you're dealing with compatibility issues or you simply prefer the classic interface, reverting to the older version is a straightforward process that you can accomplish in just a few minutes. Let's delve into the steps together, ensuring that you have a smooth transition experience. First things first, you'll need to open Adobe Acrobat. Now, regardless of whether you're using a Mac or a Windows PC, finding the application should be relatively straightforward. Look for the Adobe Acrobat icon on your desktop or navigate to it through your Applications folder. Once you have it open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Take your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the menu button. Clicking on this allows you access to a host of options and settings. This menu is essentially your gateway to customizing how Adobe Acrobat works for you. Once inside the menu, look for and select the option that says Disable New Acrobat. This step is critical because it toggles the version preference from the new layout to the older, more familiar one. For many users who have grown accustomed to the classic design, this older version is often considered more user-friendly and intuitive. This option should be clearly visible, so take your time to ensure you select the correct toggle. Now that you've disabled the new version, there's one final step to ensure everything is set as you desire. You'll need to close and then reopen Adobe Acrobat. This action is necessary for the changes you've made to fully take effect. Closing and reopening might seem like a small step, but it refreshes the application, ensuring that everything is now running in the older mode. With these steps completed, you should now find yourself back in the familiar environment of the old Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's amazing how a few quick and easy changes can make such a difference in your user experience. Whether it's for ease of use, compatibility, or personal preference, having the choice to switch back is a great option Adobe provides. And that wraps up our tutorial. You now know exactly how to switch from the new to the old Adobe Acrobat Reader. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help.